Good afternoon, dear students. The next experiment will be discussing on a open channel, that is, in laboratory we'll conduct the experiment of uniform flow formulae on this tilting flume. So it is a 10-meter long tilting flume. In that you can find the center portion is a transparent acrylic material test section whose length is around 3 meter, 1.5 meter. Here for this acrylic material we have to find the two coefficients, Manning's coefficient and Chase's coefficient, by using the uniform flow formulas. You can find this is the main supply tank from where the pump will lift the water. The pump will pass on the discharge in the tilting flume, and further the discharge will be flowing, and at the outlet again it is collected in the same main supply tank. Now this tilting flume, it is named because the two hydraulic jacks which are placed on stand, you can find, because of these hydraulic jacks the slope can be possibly done. The slope of the channel can be maintained by adjusting the jacks. So here the slope of the channel can be calculated by finding the distance between the two jacks, that is, the distance between these two jacks is 2.1 meter, and by knowing the height difference, so from the stand to the base of the channel at both these two points where the horizontal distance between two jack is 2.1 meter and vertical distance we can measure by the measuring tape. So the x is the horizontal distance and y is the vertical difference between the two jacks. So y upon x will be the slope of this channel. So the first thing we have to calculate the slope, then further attain a uniform flow in the channel, and using the Raybook gauge. Here you can find on the Raybook gauge the graduation or the mark provided to measure the depth of the flow. So a pointer is provided below the Raybook gauge. So first place the pointer, just touch the pointer to the bed surface and take the reading of the bed as a bed reading. So that reading will be the bed reading, and then just touch the pointer to the water surface. So you will be getting the bed reading, you will be getting the water reading, water surface reading. So the difference between two reading will be the depth of the flow, will be the depth of the flow. So you have to observe this, you have to find the slope of the channel first, that is y upon x, and secondly you have to find the depth of the flow y. So the pointer should first touch the bed surface, that is, it is the bed reading. Secondly, the pointer should touch to the water surface, it is the water level reading. The difference between two reading is the depth of the flow. And third, you have to find what is the discharge flowing through the channel. So therefore here you can find there is a Venturi meter. This Venturi meter will give what is the discharge flowing through the channel. That is, the discharge by Venturi meter is calculated by Q actual is equal to CD A1 into A2 divided by under root A1 square minus A2 square multiplied by 2GH, and H is the difference